give her her mouthy. Is that for the kitty? I think Kitty wants to go night-night. Can you say night-night, Kitty? Bye. Bye, Kitty. Where's Corey? Where's Corey? Where's Corey? Hey! You want to come read books with us? We're reading a baby book. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Pick it up. What's the duck say? Quack, quack. Can you do that? Quack, quack. What do you think of that, Amos? Where'd our book go? Where's our book we were looking at?